In this video, I'm going to talk about various operations available for your website in Power Pages. So I'm in the make.powerpages interface. I have a couple of sites created for me. What I can do is if I navigate to a specific site and if I click on this three dot icon, I can navigate to the admin center for the app. So I click on this, I click on an admin center, and I'm now logged into the Power Platform admin center specific to the website. Now, there's another way to navigate to this page is just by, like logging into the Power Platform admin center. And if you click on resources and if you click on Power Pages site, here you will see all the site for you, which is all being created. And if you just click on manage, then it will take you to the same interface. Okay. So, okay, this is how you navigate to the site actions. Now, what things we can do with the site actions? So if I click on the site actions options, I'll see an option to restart the site. The restart option will allow you to restart the website. During this restart process, the website will not be available to the site visitors. So make sure that if you want to do a restart operation, just do it off OS so that all the users who wants to log into your website uh, will have like kind of minimum downtime. Similarly, I can shut down the site. So, in case if I think of stopping my website for whatever reason, I can go and select the stop website options. Now, with this action, the site will be turned off completely and you will not be able to uh, access your website until and unless you restart it back. Then there's another option to delete the site. So this action is basically used to delete your Power Pages site. Now, as you remember that I've covered in one of my videos whereby I talk about what does a Power Pages site contain. So it contains a web host, it contains a portal configuration, and it also contains some sort of solution based information. Now, this action will only delete the web host site. All the solutions in the backend will still persist, so you have to go there and manually clean it. I'll just cancel this for now. Moving on to the next option, disable custom errors. So the moment I click on disable custom errors, it will show me a screen which says during this process, the website will not be available to site visitor for a few minutes. So what essentially it does is it restarts the website, makes some changes in the configuration, and then disable the custom errors. Which the developers might have, enabled to troubleshoot before we make the site live in production. Next action is enabling diagnostics log. If you want to log information for your website, maybe it can be an error, it can be warning, it can be security based, or if it is information based, you can all log those information. Now, by default, out of the box, you'll get a retention period of between 1 day to 180 days. And when you say always, means it will continuously keep on retaining those information. uh, Also, there's an option to, if you provide a connection string to an Azure storage, you will directly offload those logs in Azure storage account so that your database doesn't get bloated with the diagnostic logs. uh, Last option is configure or disable maintenance mode. Now, this mode is useful if you want to show uh, a page to an end user that you are undergoing some maintenance for your website. And till the time this maintenance operation is going on, this website will not be available. Two options to select, one is the default page, one is a custom page. If you select default page, the page which is provided by Microsoft will be available uh, when the user tries to access the website. But if it's a custom page, then you can put some any custom URL, and then that will be used to redirect to that particular site. Now, remember one thing: don't give Power Pages site over here because it will not allow you to render the Power Pages site as a part of maintenance page rendering. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching this video. I hope I have given you some more information. I'll go through those information in more detail in my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.